Parker's Kynar check valves are designed to pair with polyethylene, polypropylene, nylon, vinyl, fluoropolymer, PVDF, and polyurethane tubing. Refer to the Fluid System Connector catalog to determine the gripper style required for your select tubing. First, begin by cutting your tubing as squarely as possible, allowing at most 15 degrees of variance. Before inserting the tubing, check to make sure that the ports are clean and free of debris. Once free of debris, insert the tubing until it bottoms out. Once inserted, pull on the tubing to verify it is at full depth. To disassemble, simply press the release button, hold against the body, and pull the tubing out of the fitting. An additional step may be taken to ensure proper assembly. Prior to assembling the tubing, mark from the end of the tube the proper length of insertion, which can be found in the Parker Fluid System Connectors catalog. A proper assembly will show this marking flush with the collet after the tubing has been inserted.